The death of a 6-year-old in central Kingston last Monday has opened a can of worms into the dark, illegal operations in one of Kingston's most volatile communities. Timora Malcolm died after she was shot in the chest by a man cleaning an illegal firearm. And while the man has been arrested and charged by the police, the murder weapon has not been recovered, which according to the police is telling of the culture in the community. Jamaica Maitland has a report.
That is a sad one. The baby girl, man saying a gunsmith, illegal gunsmith.
Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang commenting on the death of 6-year-old Timora McCollum in Rose Garden, Central Kingston. She was killed exactly 1 week ago today. The illegal weapon in question still missing. Dr. Chang described the incident as a tragedy and argued that being in possession of an illegal gun should require serious prison time.
People who have bringing illegal gun and have them there all over the place, so that kids are getting killed accidentally. The guns are killing people. The Prime Minister, while we're not looking that far, we have to look at this. They have to send a message to people with the new legislation that kind of the thought of even locking them away for life must be there.
Timora's death has shone the spotlight into the underground gun operations of the Spoilers gang in Rose Gardens. The police have reported that the man charged with the child's death is 55-year-old James Smith, a gunsmith. He repairs and cleans weapons for gangsters in the community. But according to police sources, the gunsmith and the failure of the community to hand over the weapon is evidence of the organized crime network in Rose Gardens. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said recently the government will bring the Enhanced Security Measures Bill, the Bail Act, and the Firearms Act to Parliament for reform early next year, while alluding to the need for gun control. He declined to comment on Timora McCollum's killing. Meanwhile, at the St. Aloysius Primary School, Timora's desk and chair are empty. She would have been sitting her exams along with her classmates today. Education Minister Favour Williams is condemning the killing, stating that any death of any child, especially one that happened by the gun, is cause for great concern. She adds that the child's killing was a sad moment for her. The school's administrators are also shaken.
We have lost our PE teacher, we have lost a grade 1 teacher that went missing. We have also lost a grade 6 teacher, latest one, and now Timora. And trust me, we have not been taking it good. Our class teachers, the students are devastated.
Take responsibility. Responsibility in the sense of knowing where your child is, knowing the surrounding of your child, and the persons who they are surrounded by. Now, I mean, that case could have been solved because if a gentleman is fixing a gun, of course, you see a child or you see 2 children, you take yourself away or you send them away. That's a responsibility right there.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.